Now we are going to see about how to merge the file. How to merge the database. Suppose we have 2-3 databases, 2-3 SPSS files at our site, and we want to club all these together or merge all these together. No need to copy individually and making it and do it with a simple step of say merge files. We could able to merge the database together or expected files together or expected variables together, cases together, whatever it may be. What's the difference between add case and add variables? Is add case, generally we can add the uh, data of that particular variable from different folder to bring it to a particular folder, or if you want to add the variables totally along with the data file, data view, you can bring that from one SPSS file or folder to other SPSS file. So now we are going to see this merge option. Here we have to go to data, merge file. First we can do add cases. We have to choose an external SPSS statistic data file, browse and pick the S, for example S file here that I am clicking as example. Continue. Here we have whatever we want to bring in, we can bring here. So I want to bring all these to this data file. I can bring, click OK. Automatically all these data file will be indicated, will be presented in the data set that we already have in our hand. So this is our new data set which has the cases of, other than GP, it has the cases of imputation and gender. So what is this adding cases and adding variable? Again I want to repeat, if I coded this, if I included this variable imputation and gender, but I don't have the data here, I can bring data by adding from different files of the same variable to this particular data folder. Then add, merge files, add variables, total entire variables I want. So for again same process, an external SPSS data file, browse, because I'm having that only. So I'm not having anything internally, so I'm making it in external. So SPSS, external SPSS statistics data file. So now click continue. Okay. So system is asking whether all to be included, because all are there in that folder. If you want that, it is excluded variable. If you don't want this, you can exclude. I want everything. So click OK. Automatically your data set will have this entire thing. See, this is your data package. You are having all the variables merged in this particular file. With this I am ending this merging file option.